All right, everybody, a little update on our sod project here. Yesterday we did the prep work, Renee and I, and all we did was we took our stick edger and we used it as a tiller to dig the dirt out away from the edge and kind of taper into the existing lawn. After we did that, we put down our topsoil fill dirt mix here, and we leveled it out and tried to smooth out the low spots and rake everything out. We used a golf rake for that, and we also used a drag mat like you use on a baseball field. But turned out really well. Over the years, we've done hundreds of sod projects like this, and in the beginning I used to do it the hard way. We would bring a sod cutter in here or a tiller. We would till everything up or cut out all of our existing sod and end up hauling off literally tons of dirt, only to bring dirt back in here and replace it. So over the years, I've learned to do it a little bit easier, better way. Is we just, like I said, we just till around the edges to make sure that the new sod sits flush where the existing sod was, and then we taper into the existing lawn. So it might raise the lawn area overall maybe 1 inch to 2 inches, but you won't notice it at all. It'll help the lawn drain, and it'll give it a nice look. But like I said, that's a little tip there. Definitely made life a lot easier. But let me show you our zoysia. It's looking really good here. And once we get done, I'll make a video showing you the final project. All we've got left to do now, once we get it in, is cut all of our pieces that need to be cut around different obstacles. And then we're going to take our sod roller right there, fill it up with water, and roll everything out to get it nice and compact, nice and flat, and to also help the roots get good contact with the ground, which is the most important part in ensuring that the sod is going to make it, aside from watering. But I'll show you when we get done. All right, everybody, we just finished up. Got our nice zoysia sod put in. Renee just rolled it out, and you can see it looks really good. Got a nice flat yard. Use a stick edger to cut around all of our edging and our concrete. Makes it a lot easier than getting down there by hand and cutting with a knife or machete or whatever you use to cut sod. But we just use a stick edger. But it turned out really well. We've given our homeowner instructions on watering, and this lawn should establish and look very good here in the next month or so. And I think we'll be maintaining this one as well. We'll be fertilizing it and treating it. So it turned out well.